Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create this very beautiful and easy DIY planter. I have made this using an empty powder container, and as I told you in my previous video, I'll be making a separate video for this one, so here it is. I made all these planters using waste materials found in our homes, and today let's learn how to make this easy garden planter. And I used the empty powder container. I used the lower part to make the cute sleeping girl container, and I used the upper part for this house container. I used the upper part of the powder container and I made a small window and a larger door on the container. I took a blade and cut off the top small window, and then I took some glue and I applied it on the top part. Then using some ice cream sticks, I applied glue on that also, and I stuck them on the top of the container like the roof. So using these ice cream sticks, I pressed them down firmly so that they get stuck properly, and I covered the whole top part of the powder container in this manner. I also overlapped some of the ice cream sticks so that it got the conical shape. And to cover up the top opening, I used a tamarind seed. Remember to heat up the seed before you use them in this container, otherwise when you water the plants, the seed might germinate. When you heat them, then the seed becomes dead. After that, I used some acrylic color and I painted the powder container. You can use any color of your choice. After coloring the lower half of the container, I colored the roof of the container. I used a deep brown color which I didn't like too much, so I changed it to a lighter brown color. And I also colored the seed which I put on top. And when the colors are dry, I did the next step. I took a marker to make these patterns on the container, which looks like the cut is made out of some rocks. If you are good at drawing, you can directly use a paintbrush to do this, but I am not too good, so I used a marker to get some idea how I will be creating these patterns. Then using a light brown color, I filled in the pattern, gave it a border, and then using a little bit of lighter shade, I filled in shading on these rock-like structures. After I finished shading all the rocks, I took some black paint and gave a border to the window. And then I took the glue and gave the door a layer of glue, and on top of that I stuck those tamarind seeds which I had heated already in a pan so that they wouldn't germinate when water falls on it. Stick them all around the door as shown. Finally, I made the frame of the door using some black acrylic color and I painted them. I made the doorknob using a small piece of ice cream stick, rounded one, and I colored it black as shown and I stuck it on the door. I took another small waste container and gave it the same color as the hut, and I filled it with soil. And then I put in a piece of money plant through the window, cut off the excess stem at the bottom, and I planted it on that smaller container. Adjust the planter on the lower one so that it stands straight, and then I took another piece of money plant and added it on the side. When you have planted the plants, you can water the container and allow it to grow. So this is how you can create a beautiful little house-shaped planter using an old empty powder container. I hope you like these easy planter ideas, and you can check out my previous video for seeing how I created the other 3 planters. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.